everyone! Today we are going to make a very simple and cute fish. You need to prepare a square sheet of paper. Alright, let's get started. First, fold these two corners together. Unfold. Fold these two corners together. Then unfold. Fold the top and bottom edges to the center. Unfold. Fold the left and right edges to the center. Unfold. Align the bottom edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Rotate it. Now it forms a shape like this. Next, fold this point to this point. Fold this side the same way. Press it down. Rotate it. Fold it the same way as before. Fold this side the same way. Press it down. Rotate it. Now it forms a shape like this. Fold this part to the right. Fold this part to the right as well. Fold this point to here. Fold this triangle up. Fold this point to here. Fold this triangle down. Now the fish's tail is done. Now it forms a shape like this. Rotate it. Fold this point to here. Fold this point to here. It doesn't need to align with the center line. It can be a bit off center. Turn it over. Alright, our fish is done. Now let's draw the eyes. Find a black pen. First, draw a circle. Then draw the pupils. Now our fish is complete. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.